An important update to all aspirants. We have launched a WhatsApp update group and Google group to provide all updates pertaining to our academy, be it live sessions in YouTube or new videos uploaded to e-classes and new tests uploaded to test series, including study club discussions, and even ranking for candidates will be declared through this medium, right? So you can join these groups for free, and all you need to do is drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. We'll send you some links and you can access these groups. In fact, you will get some resources in our Google group as well, right? I hope you will make most use of the resources available and give your best. So wish you all the best. Love you all.